Ahead of Congress President Sonia Gandhi's visit to rain-affected areas in Rajasthan, Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje visited the village of Lakheri. Now, Raje's sudden visit to rain-affected villages in Hadoti region has been seen as a major diplomatic move ahead of Sonia Gandhi's visit to Rajasthan. The Congress President is scheduled to visit the villages in Jhalawar, the hometown of Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje, the home district of Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje, and also the affected villages of Bundi, Kota, Baran and Hadoti region. Although so far it is only Haryana and Rajasthan, Sonia Gandhi will be undertaking the comprehensive visits to all rain-hit areas to personally monitor the losses as a sign of solidarity with the farmers. Unseasonal rains and hailstorms in the month of March continue to take a toll on farmers in North and West India. Destruction of good crops are forcing many to commit suicide. Here's a report from the 4 worst affected states.
40-year-old farmer Ram Narayan hanged himself to death, leaving behind a weeping wife and 4 small children. Narayan lost his standing rabi crop due to the unseasonal rainfall. He was hoping to repay his loans with good crops this year, but the rains dashed all his hopes.
फसल खराब होने के कारण इन्होंने अपनी आत्महत्या कर ली। 3 बच्चे छोटे-छोटे हैं, एक लड़की की शादी करनी होगी।
25 kilometers away from Madhya Pradesh's capital, 55-year-old Madan Lal has also committed suicide days after his crops were damaged by the rains.
पिछले साल तो 4000 की गई थी, इस बार तो 1200 रुपए कुंडल गई, तो 20,000 की वो टेंशन थी।
सरकार की तरफ से कोई मदद मिली थी?
कोई कुछ मदद नहीं मिली सरकार की ओर से।
मैं पूरे प्रदेश के उन जिलों में जहाँ किसानों की फसलें बर्बाद हुई है मैं जाऊंगा। आज 5 जिलों में मैं जा रहा हूँ और किसानों से मैंने कहा कि चिंता करने की जरूरत बिल्कुल नहीं है।
Devastations caused by rains and hailstorms in March continue to wreak havoc on farmers' lives. Each day suicides being reported in north and western India. Opposition demanding that the centre steps in, estimating that crops worth more than 22,000 crore has been lost in the natural fury. The government on its part promising all relief measures. Help may be on its way, but till then, no respite for the debt-ridden farmers. Caught in a vicious debt cycle and in despair over losing their standing crops, many continuing to prefer to take their own lives. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.